Hey everyone, we here at Astroscale are the only company that is solely dedicated to satellite servicing across all orbits, from satellite life extension in GEO to end-of-life services and active debris removal in LEO. This is a really exciting but challenging job. What does everyone think we need to do to make on-orbit satellite servicing successful?
We need to better understand the on-orbit servicing ecosystem and potential markets.
We need to help governments understand and support what commercial servicing can do for the space industry.
We need to establish global standards, such as interfaces, to support the servicing of future spacecraft, and best practices for rendezvous.
We need to create technologies that change the value proposition for operation in space.
We need to treat on-orbit operations as a reality today, not a possibility tomorrow. So what do we need to bring together all these topics in one place?
We need
the CONFERS
Global Satellite Servicing Forum.